Hello everyone, welcome to Maria Daily English.
I'm so happy you're here with us today. I am John.
And I am Maria.
Today we're learning how to talk about yesterday in English, a skill you'll use every single day.
That's right. Whether you're sharing your day, asking about someone else's, or just making small talk, knowing how to use the past tense naturally is essential.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll confidently talk about yesterday, ask past questions, make negative sentences, and use vocabulary that native speakers actually use.
And we want to hear from you. After today's lesson, tell us in the comments, what did you do yesterday? Write one sentence in English. We'll help you improve it.
Yes, please share below, no judgment, just learning. And if you're ready to speak about your day in English, hit that subscribe button to Maria Daily English. We make real conversations simple.
Thank you so much for your support. Alright, let's jump right into today's topic.
Let's start with the foundation, talking about yesterday. In English, we use the past tense to describe completed actions. The key is knowing two types of verbs, regular and irregular.
Regular verbs are easy. Just add ed ear to the base verb. Work becomes a worked. Call becomes a called. Watch becomes a watched. Simple pattern.
Irregular verbs don't follow a rule, you mimize them. Go becomes went. Eat becomes ate. See becomes saw. We'll practice the most common ones today.
Let's practice together. Think of one thing you did yesterday. Say it out loud using a regular verb. For example, I watched a movie or I cleaned my room.
Excellent. Now try with an irregular verb. Maybe, I went to the park, or she ate breakfast early. Go ahead, say it now.
Can you try making one sentence about yesterday using both types? Maybe, I worked yesterday and then I went home. Type your sentence in the comments so we can see your practice.
We read every comment and love helping you improve. To quickly recap this section, regular verbs add ed, irregular verbs change completely. Both describe yesterday, practice both.
Awesome! You've got the foundation down. Now, let's build on this and learn how to ask questions about the past. So far, we've covered talking about yesterday with regular and irregular verbs. Now let's learn how to ask questions in the past tense, because conversations go both ways.
Exactly. The formula is simple, did plus subject plus base verb. Notice, after did, we always use the base verb, not the past form. Did you go? Not did you went.
Perfect. Let's practice with real-life scenarios. Imagine you're catching up with a friend. Instead of statements, try questions. Did you sleep well? Did you have a good day? What did you do yesterday?
Love that. Now, for negative sentences, subject plus didn't plus base verb. I didn't watch TV. She didn't go to work. Again, base verb after didn't, that's the golden rule.
Here's a quick practice activity. I'll give you a present tense sentence, and you change it to past negative. Ready? Present. I eat breakfast. Past negative.
I didn't eat breakfast. Great. Next, she calls her mom. Past negative.
She didn't call her mom. Perfect. Notice, calls becomes a call after it didn't. That's the pattern.
Now, listeners, let's practice asking and answering. I'll ask a past question, and you answer, then switch roles. Ready? Question, did you drink coffee yesterday?
Take a second. Answer, a yes, I did or a no, I didn't. Then ask back, did you? Go ahead, practice out loud.
Here are 3 quick tips to lock this in. First, always use base verb after did, didn't. Second, practice the question-answer loop. Did you? Yes, I did. Third, listen for these patterns in podcasts or shows. You'll start hearing them everywhere.
I want you to try writing 2 sentences. One past question, one past negative. For example, did you finish your work? And I didn't have time. Post them in the comments. We read every single one.
Let's review these key points before moving forward. Past questions, did plus subject plus base verb. Past negatives, subject plus didn't plus base verb. Base verb always after did, didn't. Practice the loop, and your past tense conversations will flow naturally.
Moving on, let's look at useful vocabulary for daily conversations. Words and phrases you'll actually use when talking about your day. You know, when I first started speaking English, I knew grammar but struggled with vocabulary. I'd say I did my morning activities when native speakers say I got ready. Small phrases make big differences.
Har har, I've been there too. I used to say I consumed breakfast instead of I had breakfast. Learning natural expressions changed everything for me.
Let's look at useful vocabulary for daily conversations. Instead of listing every action, native speakers use chunks. A get ready, a head to work, a grab lunch, a wind down.
Right. Morning vocabulary: wake up, get up, brush teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, head out. Notice, have breakfast, not eat breakfast, more natural.
Work vocabulary: get to work, start work, take a break, finish work, head home. Instead of I completed my work, try I finished up. Sounds more casual and native.
Evening vocabulary: cook dinner, have dinner, relax, watch TV, wind down, go to bed. Wind down means to relax before sleep, a phrase you'll hear often.
Now, let's learn natural expressions native speakers actually use. Instead of I'm very tired, try I'm beat or I'm exhausted. Instead of that is good, try sounds good, or nice.
Love those. For agreement, totally, exactly, I know, right. For disagreement, politely, I see it differently, or not sure about that.
Here's a real-life practice situation. Imagine someone asks, how was your day? Instead of it was good, try, pretty good. I got a lot done. Or, honestly, I'm beat. It was a long day.
Exactly. These small phrases make your English sound human, not textbook. Now, listeners, practice replacing one formal phrase with a natural one. Instead of I am very hungry, try I'm starving. Type your before, after in the comments.
Please don't feel embarrassed if you've used textbook phrases. Every fluent speaker started where you are. The fact that you're learning natural expressions now means your English is leveling up.
Absolutely. Keep going, stay patient with yourself, and trust that your practice is paying off. You've learned the vocabulary and expressions. Now let's talk about improving your listening and pronunciation.
Let's talk about how to improve your English listening and pronunciation, because understanding and being understood are the goals of real conversation.
Exactly. For listening, don't try to catch every word. Focus on the main idea, key verbs, and the speaker's emotion. Native speakers connect words. Did you sounds like didger, going to sounds like gunner.
Right. Practice tip: shadowing. Listen to a short clip, pause, and repeat exactly what you heard, matching the rhythm, not just the words. This builds both listening and pronunciation.
For pronunciation, focus on stress and rhythm, not perfect accent. English is stress-timed, some words are louder, longer. Practice: I didn't go vs I didn't go, different meaning, different stress.
Let's do a mini practice together. I'll say a phrase naturally, and you repeat. Ready? Phrase. Oh, what did you do yesterday?
Listen, what'd you do yesterday? Now you say it, match the rhythm, not just the letters. Great.
Next phrase. I didn't see that coming. Natural. I didn't see that coming. Your turn.
Perfect. Notice how we drop or blend sounds in casual speech. You don't need to copy this exactly, but recognizing it helps you understand faster.
Wow, we've covered so much today. You now know how to talk about yesterday, use regular or irregular verbs, ask past questions, make negatives, use daily vocabulary, speak with natural expressions, and improve listening and pronunciation.
Absolutely. Let's quickly list the 7 key concepts we covered. 1. Talking about yesterday. 2. Regular vs irregular verbs. 3. Past questions. 4. Past negatives. 5. Daily vocabulary. 6. Natural expressions. 7. Listening and pronunciation tips.
You've got a solid foundation now. Every time you speak about the past, pause for just a second and ask, am I using the base verb after did, didn't? That one question will guide you to more accurate English.
I want to leave you with a reflective question. Think about your day-to-day. How would you describe it in English using 3 past tense sentences? Keep practicing, small steps create big progress.
If this lesson helped you talk about yesterday more confidently, please show us your support. Hit that like button, share this video with someone learning English, drop your practice sentences in the comments, and subscribe to Maria Daily English.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We appreciate every listener, every comment, and every bit of effort you put into improving your English. You are capable, you are growing, and we're proud to be part of your journey.
Keep listening, keep practicing out loud, and never stop believing in your ability to speak naturally. You've already come so far.
Until next time, stay curious, keep speaking, and see you next time.